Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Qatar Islamic online banking account. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop, then on the search bar search for QIIB.com.QA. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the online banking option here. From the sub-menu, choose personal. Now you will be directed to the login page of Qatar Islamic online banking account. Now before you log into your account, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You can only log into your Qatar Islamic online banking account if you have registered for it at the first place. So if you haven't registered for your online banking account on Qatar Islamic Bank, then go and tap onto the register your account. And once you are done registering your account, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to the username text field and enter the username that is associated to your online banking account. Then enter your password in the text field here that you have set while registering for this online banking account. Once done, go and tap onto the login option in order to log into your Qatar Islamic online banking account. And if you have forgotten your password or username, then you can just go and tap onto the forget password option here and tap on it in order to reset your password. And with all this information, I think you will be able to log into your account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.